Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Returning to Basics. We're out on the property, and as you can see behind me here, we're in the area where we cut the trees out a week or so ago to put in our nice apple trees. And we're just picking up the brush and doing some cleanup today. Myself and Xavier. We're pulling our treetops and things that we cut over out of the food plot and into the edge of our woods there. The little piles that we'll create over there will do a couple of things. One, it'll clean up our food plot, and two, it'll create a barrier there to funnel the deer through more right over here, which is closer to our blind and controlling the way that they come in and out of the woods. Pretty good job we did, didn't we?
Yep.
That'll give us a good start on this spring food plot right through here. That'll wrap around behind the Polaris over there. And these trees, these 3 apple trees and that Chickasaw plum will have plenty of sun and not have to compete for sun and nutrients with those other trees.
Now I have a question. When those trees get leaves on them, are they going to block out some of the sun?
They'll block some of the sun, but as you can see, and that's a great question, see where the sun is? It's almost always on the other side of this power line right up here. So when it's up like that, it comes up over in that direction and tends to go this way. And so most of the days the sun will come and get on those trees. That's a great question. Now, if it came up behind them, we should have been cutting those over there. But that's a super question. That Chickasaw plum over there now will do a lot better. It's going on its 3rd year, and see how small it is? Now it'll really do well this year because it doesn't have to compete with all these other trees for sunlight. We're over near the orchard, and we have a little bit of cleanup over here to do. Not a lot. We'll pick this stuff up though. Get it cut up, moved quickly. This is my new area with the Dunstan chestnut in front of us, Chinese over behind it, Chinese there. Okay, believe it or not, Xavier and I cleared. You can see the brush and the edges over there. We cleared this entire area where we had trees felled, treetops, and we pulled them all up over there, up in the woods. And we got this entire area here, and it's about, 1/3 of an acre. A good, tough day, wouldn't you say, Xavier?
Yep.
Tough day.
I'm pretty tired.
Me too. So, that's it for us today. Thanks for coming along with us, and thanks for visiting our channel. We really appreciate it. Hit the like button and subscribe. Share this with a friend. And God bless you. Have a great day.